Hello everyone, welcome back to Trailhead Ranger. And today we are going to complete the Superbadge Process Automation Specialist Superbadge. So it consists of three earlier Superbadges, which is Approval Process Specialist Superbadge, Flow Elements and Resources Specialist Superbadge, and Screen Flow Specialist Superbadge. So we have covered Screen Flow Specialist Superbadge using our channel in the videos, but these other two are not covered in the videos. If you want me to cover those, please let me know and comment in the comment section. So let's get started with the process automation specialist super badge. We need to complete three quizzes which would be respectively related to the first three super badges, that is related to approval process, flows and screen flow. So first one with the approval process. Which of the following is a configuration available in approval process setup? Prevent submitters from recalling approval requests. Select initial submitters from a picklist field on the record. Okay, add the submit for approval button and approval history related list to all of the objects page layout. So this is the configuration available. We do have that we can enable the submit for approval button and add it to the objects page layout, as well as we can add the approval history related list. Okay, next is user indicates that approval requests are routed to the wrong department. What should a system administrator do to resolve this issue? We can review the entry criteria and change it if it requires according to the conditions. Which workflow action is available upon approval or rejection after configuring an approval step? If you have gone through the approval process, or if you have created any approval process, you would know that we can update any field if we are doing an approval process. So we are done with the first challenge. Let's go to the next one. Why should a system administrator use an assignment element in a flow? Obviously assignment element, you can even configure, understand it from its word, its meaning, that we are assigning a value to a variable or a field to set values that will be used later in the flow. Not to assign permission, not to retrieve. Okay, which of the following is an accurate description of a flow element? Okay, this is the most correct one. If you go through the other these three options, they are not accurately described. There's something is missing. Which statement is true regarding flows that contain a delete element? If no records match the delete element criteria, the flow will trigger an error. Records meeting criteria are not deleted when testing a flow. Records pending approval are not deleted. Okay, obviously this one, because delete element criteria, if we have entered in between the flow and it is going through in between the procedure, then it will throw an error if there is no record matching the conditions that it should delete that record. Okay, now the last one is with screen flow configuration. Which statement is true regarding how automations run in system or user context? Okay, screen flows run in user context by default. Record triggered flows run in system context. Schedule. Okay, this one is correct. Record triggered flows run in system context by default. Which aspect of flow screen output component should a system administrator consider when building screen flows? Create screen component layout can display input in one or two column. Third one is correct. It is not mandatory that we should assign a header and footer, and it is also talking about in respect to output components. Second is layouts can display in one or two column. There are certain, like in sections we can do that. Default column width for all flow layouts are set in process automation settings. Yeah, and we can set the conditional visibility that if we have entered a text element on the screen element, so we can assign any condition that when we want it to be visible and when not. This statement is relevant about validating input on a screen flow. It automatically reference object level validation to ensure consistency. No, help text should be used in screens to advise user that about required input. Yeah, but it is not validating input, it is help text. Component validation does not allow custom error message. Yeah, so the last one is the correct. So we have successfully completed the process automation specialist super badge as well. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe our channel. We'll be continuing coming up with more videos. And if you have any doubts, any clarification, or if you want me to make any video on any other super badge challenge module project, anything, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. Thank you.